Alright, I'm going to be recording on 60i, I think. Pretty sure, not 60p, because 60p will be a little bit harder to upload, so upload videos and edit them. So I'm going to be recording in 10, yeah, we're going to be still recording in 1080p, but it's going to be 60i instead of 60p. A bit of family fast. Windmere. DF-16. Get all this. Alright, got it. There it is. This thing still works, surprisingly, after all it's been through. Alright. I have to put this on the tripod. Alright. Come down, actually. Get this out. Actually, here. Alright. Yes, it's still recording, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Sorry, guys. I'm making you guys dizzy, but just about that. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it this way. That's better. Actually, that's not enough for this condition. So, I'm gonna have to put it right here. Unfortunately, this mail away. Some of it's confidential, but on second thought. Alright. I'm pointing down, guys, but I don't know, whatever. Should be good. Let's plug it in. There's my Holmes HO of 85 right there. Yes, it's supposed to be big like that. Ow, I just pinched myself. Sorry if you see my crack, but whatever. Really butt quack, this stuff boy. Kinda clever, is it? Not really. Alright, here we go. Sorry about the low light area, but it's the best I could do. Just turn the light on just for the heck of it. Ready to chicken my Christmas tree. That's better. Alright. Here we go. Turn on low. Here we go. Oh, that's blowing the air. That's pretty powerful. That's a really nice breeze. Wow. That's blowing the air. Oh, that feels so good. Medium. And high. Vibrate on the curve. Oh, the air. That is blowing the air. It's strong. It's so strong. It's unmade. I know. Let's put on the oscillator. It's not vibrating terribly. It's vibrating. Installation. suppose the air is not holding back there. This thing's better built. This fan's better built than that little fan right there. Whatever. Oscillation. I'll upload this after I make the video. Disengage the oscillator. Let's turn it off. Back to high. Back to medium, I mean. And high again. Spin down. Oh yeah, that's a good spin down. Wow. It's decent.
Every single bastard one of them has their own food. And every one of them sleeping quiet, looking after number one.
Oh wow, these bearings are in nice shape. And believe it or not, guys, I'll have another update video of this fan because I'll show you what kind of motor they have in this. And surprisingly, it's a plastic motor. And I guess I'll just be the end of the video, guys, because I have nothing else to do after this. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please enjoy the video. See by me. This is DuckBoy2634 signing off. Enjoy, boy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.